In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Minecraft with an Apple gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Apple gift card, you will be able to purchase Minecraft Bedrock Edition through the App Store, so keep that in mind. You will not be able to purchase Java. Java must be purchased separately through the official Minecraft website, so as of today you can only purchase Bedrock, but once you have it purchased and assigned into a Microsoft account, you will be able to play Bedrock on any platform. So it is going to cost $6.99 US. Sometimes it is going to go on sale, and of course this is also going to differ depending on your own local currency. Either way, just make sure that you have a bare minimum of $6.99 on your Apple gift card. So, from the home screen of the App Store, tap on your icon. So, go to your account page. Open the App Store and then tap on your icon here. Now you will see a bunch of options, one of them being redeem gift card or code. So all that you have to do to redeem your Apple gift card into your account is to tap this option here. You will see the two main ways to redeem it. Use your camera or enter the code manually. If you use your camera, this will automatically fill out most of the details about the card. So as soon as it detects the full card number, it is going to fill it out for you. So you verify if everything looks okay, check to see which Apple account you are currently signed in, and it is going to receive the funds. Afterwards, you can go over to the Minecraft page and purchase it. If you choose the option to enter the code manually, as the name suggests, you will do this on a manual way. So you will input all of the letters and numbers of the code. It is going to be quite long. Pay attention to all of the digits. Make sure that you don't mistype anything. And once you have the full code typed out, it is going to be verified, and just like the automatic method, it's going to give you the currency. Then you go over to the Minecraft page and tap on this blue button here to purchase the game. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.